HDSCS connectors. TE Connectivity's HDSCS connectors are designed for off-highway, trucking, construction, and agricultural applications. They are offered in arrangements ranging from 2 to 18 cavities. Arrangements are available that allow for mixed terminal sizes to be used in one housing. HDSCS connectors feature a unique slide lock mechanism for connector mating. HDSCS contact insertion. Begin with a crimped wire. For assistance, refer to the AMP MCP Contacts video segment for detailed instructions. Refer to your wiring diagram to know which wire to insert into each cavity. Cavities are marked with numbers. Check that the integrated secondary lock is in the unlocked position. Grasp the crimped contact approximately 1 inch behind the contact. Hold the connector with the rear facing you. Make sure the contact is in the correct orientation. Push the contact straight into the rear of the connector until you hear and feel a click. A slight tug will verify the contact is locked in place. Repeat this process until all of the cavities are filled. After all the contacts have been inserted, push the integrated secondary lock into the locked position with the DT-RT1 removal tool or a screwdriver. Please note that if you have open cavities, they will need to be filled with appropriately sized sealing plugs. Repeat this process for both connector halves. HDSCS connector mating. All HDSCS connectors are designed to be mated and unmated by hand. Align the receptacle contact housing with the tab housing and push the two parts together. Push the slide lock on the receptacle contact housing until you hear and feel a click. HDSCS connector unmating. To unmate HDSCS connectors, use a DT-RT1 or a screwdriver to release the slide lock on the receptacle contact housing. Pull the slide lock until the two connector halves are apart. HDSCS contact removal. Connectors must be unmated to remove the contacts. Using a DT-RT1 or a screwdriver, slide the integrated secondary lock into the unlocked position. Using the correct removal tool, insert the tool into the contact release points. While holding the tool in place, gently pull on the wire until the contact is removed. Repeat this process until all of the contacts have been removed.